Affinity Designer comes with a transparency tool. Where is the tool in Affinity Photo? There isn't one, but this is a workaround, a solution to the lack of a transparency tool. Go to Layer and down to New Layer. You need a layer. Go to the gradient tool and I'm just going to add a gradient to that. At this point, it is still not a mask. You need to go to a layer and down to rasterize to mask. And now you can see there, mask, just select it in the layers panel and drag down. Make certain it's just added to that star just by dragging, and you see a blue line appear. Now it's beneath it. When you do, go to the gradient tool and you can drag and modify your transparency very quickly. You've got linear, elliptical, radial, etc. So if I select this star now, just select the star, I can now hold down the Alt or Option key and drag to duplicate it. And now you can see you've got a lovely transparency effect. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please leave in the comments below. Always appreciated. Thank you much.